Welcome, online entrepreneurs and aspiring business owners. Today, we're diving into the importance of a professional website for your online business. In this digital age, a website is not just an option, but a necessity. It's your virtual storefront, open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Think of it as a silent salesperson, working tirelessly to promote your brand. A professionally designed website boosts your brand's credibility, fosters customer trust, and elevates your business above the competition. It's your golden ticket to reaching a global audience, driving sales, and scaling your business. But how do you go about creating one? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this masterclass, we'll provide a comprehensive guide to setting up your professional website, from choosing the right domain to optimizing for search engines. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on an exciting journey. Stay tuned as we unravel the steps to create your own professional website. Before anything else, planning is the key to success. The same applies when setting up a website. So, where do we start? Identifying the goals and objectives for your website is the first step. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve with my website? Who is my target audience? The answers will guide your design and content decisions. Next up, consider creating a blueprint or wireframe for your website structure. This is like the architectural plan for a building. It outlines where everything goes and how it all connects. It's all about creating a seamless user experience. Think about the main sections and pages you'll need. Do you need a blog, a shop, a contact form? Sketch it out. This blueprint will serve as a roadmap for your website setup process. Remember, planning isn't about limiting creativity, it's about maximizing efficiency. With a solid plan in place, we're ready to dive into the next step: choosing the right domain. The domain name is your online address. It's vital to choose one that's memorable and brand relevant. Think of it like this: your domain name is the first impression visitors get of your website. It's the digital equivalent of a storefront sign, so make it count. A catchy, clear, and concise domain name can be a powerful branding tool. When you're ready to register your domain, utilize online tools to check its availability. If your desired name is taken, don't fret. Get creative. Use synonyms, acronyms, or even invent a new word. The key is to stay true to your brand. But remember, a domain name doesn't just represent your brand, it also impacts your search engine optimization, or SEO. A domain that includes relevant keywords can boost your SEO ranking, making your website easier to find. With the perfect domain in hand, let's move on to selecting a hosting provider. A reliable hosting provider ensures your website is accessible to your audience at all times. When it comes to launching your online business, one of the key factors to consider is where and how your website will be hosted. There are several hosting options to consider. Shared hosting, for instance, is a cost-effective choice for small businesses and blogs, while dedicated hosting offers greater control and performance, making it ideal for larger businesses with heavy traffic. Choosing the right hosting provider involves considering a few factors. First, the reliability and uptime of the host. You want to ensure your website is live and accessible round the clock. Second, the speed and performance. A slow-loading website can deter potential customers. Lastly, consider customer support. A host with quick and effective customer service can be a lifesaver when technical issues arise. Once you've chosen your hosting provider, setting up your website hosting is a fairly straightforward process, often guided by the host's support team. Now that we have our hosting sorted, let's delve into the world of website design. A visually appealing and user-friendly design can work wonders for your website. That's the mantra we're going to be exploring in this segment. First things first, choosing a website template or theme that aligns with your brand. Now this might sound like a daunting task, given the myriad of choices out there. But the key is to focus on your brand's personality and what you want to convey to your visitors. For instance, if your brand is all about minimalism and clean lines, a simple, uncluttered theme would work best. On the other hand, if you're all about creativity and vibrancy, you might want to go for a theme that allows for more visual content and color. Once you've chosen your theme, it's time to customize it to truly make it your own. Here are a few tips to achieve a professional look and feel. 1. Consistency is key. Ensure that your color scheme, typography, and imagery are consistent throughout your site. This not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also strengthens your brand identity. 2. Keep it simple. While it can be tempting to use all the bells and whistles available, a simple design often translates to a user-friendly experience. 3. Prioritize navigation. A well-structured, intuitive navigation menu can significantly enhance your site's usability. Remember, if your visitors can't find what they're looking for quickly, they're likely to leave. 4. Leverage white space. White space is not wasted space. It helps to break up the page and increase readability, making your content more digestible. And last but not least, always optimize your images. High-quality images can make your site look professional, but if they're not optimized, they can slow down your site, which can frustrate users and harm your search engine ranking. In essence, good website design is a delicate balance between aesthetics and functionality. It's about creating an online space that not only looks good, but also serves its purpose effectively. With our design in place, we're ready to build the essential pages for your website. Every website has key pages that inform, engage, and convert visitors. Let's talk about those. First up, the homepage. Think of it as your storefront. It should instantly communicate who you are, what you do, and how you can help. Make it captivating and clear. Next, the About Us page. This is where you share your story, mission, and what sets you apart. Remember, people connect with people, so make it personal and authentic. Then the Contact page. Make it easy for visitors to get in touch. Include multiple ways to reach you: email, phone, social media. A simple contact form can also do wonders. Lastly, your services or products page. Detail what you offer in a clear, concise manner. Highlight benefits, not just features. And don't forget compelling calls to action. These pages form the backbone of your online presence. Up next, we'll discuss the importance of mobile responsiveness in 2023. In this digital age, mobile-friendly designs and secure connections are non-negotiables. As the world continues to shift towards mobile first, it's essential to ensure that your website seamlessly adapts to all screen sizes. This isn't just about aesthetics, but also about functionality. A mobile-optimized site ensures that your visitors can navigate your site and access all its features, regardless of the device they're using. There are numerous tools available that can help you test your website's mobile responsiveness, from Google's mobile-friendly test to comprehensive suites like Browser Stack. But remember, mobile responsiveness isn't just about the here and now, it's about future-proofing your website. With new devices hitting the market every day, it's important to regularly test and adjust your site to keep up with the latest screen sizes and resolutions. Now, let's shift gears and talk about security. As an online entrepreneur, you're not just responsible for your own data, but also for your customers' information. One of the most fundamental security measures you can implement is an SSL certificate. SSL, which stands for Secure Sockets Layer, encrypts data as it travels between your website and your visitors, ensuring that sensitive information like passwords and credit card numbers remain secure. But an SSL certificate is just the beginning. Regular updates and backups are crucial in maintaining your website's security. Updates often include patches for vulnerabilities that could be exploited by hackers, while backups ensure that you can quickly restore your site in the event of data loss. Lastly, protection against common threats such as malware and DDoS attacks is essential. There are many security plugins and services available that can help you safeguard your site against these threats, providing peace of mind for both you and your visitors. Finally, let's wrap up with final checks and how to keep your website updated. In the next scene, we'll guide you through the processes of conducting a comprehensive pre-launch checklist and maintaining your website to ensure its longevity. Before launching, it's crucial to test functionality, responsiveness, and the overall user experience. Make sure that all links work, pages load quickly, and the design looks as you envisioned on different devices. This is your last chance to catch any glitches or hiccups that might disrupt the user experience. Once your website is live, the journey doesn't end there. Regular updates and maintenance are key to keeping your online presence fresh and engaging. This could mean updating your blog, refreshing your images, or tweaking your layout based on user feedback. Monitoring your website analytics will give you insights into user behavior, helping you make data-driven decisions that can boost engagement and conversions. Lastly, stay informed about industry trends and new technologies. The digital world moves fast, and keeping up ensures your website continues to meet user expectations and stays ahead of the competition. With these steps, you're now equipped to set up a professional website for your online business. Happy building!